Hi, it's me, Ji-young from Sesame Street. I want you to meet a very special friend of mine, Rainin Yellowfish. He lives in Oklahoma. Rainin and I both love soccer and dancing, and we're both proud of who we are. I'm proud of being Korean, and Rainin is proud of being Native American. He showed me all the ways he likes to keep his body and brain growing healthy and strong. Check it out.
At powwows, a whole bunch of different tribes come to dance and compete and have fun together.
I want you to dance hard today, okay?
Okay.
Listen to the drum, get in time, have fun. Most importantly, have fun.
I've been dancing straight dance since I was 3.
Shake. All right.
One of the coolest things about different tribes is their dances. It makes me feel pretty good because I can do like all of those dances because I'm so many tribes. My name is Rainin Yellowfish. I am 11 years old and I'm in the Oto Missouri tribe. Also, I am Osage, Sac and Fox, Comanche, Cherokee, Pawnee, and Hawaiian. I live with my mom and dad and my brother. His name is Pacer. He's 8 years old. And we also have a dog named Finnick. We live in Yukon, Oklahoma. Finnick! Here, Finnick! I go to the doctor and go to the dentist, but I do other things to keep me healthy too. I take baths every couple of days. I fix my hair. I brush my teeth every day. I love playing in the park with my brother. We get to play games. We play tag, have fun, and play on all the stuff in the park.
Ready, everybody, hands up. Deep breath. Pull your hands in the middle. Breathe out.
7,
8, 9, 10. Do a dance. Go. Yay!
And I do soccer every Saturday. It helps me with running, and it's fun because I can always run without having to stop. It's not just about being strong, it's about helping, caring for yourself.
Watch the ball.
After my soccer practice and my games, I drink lots of water and eat a healthy snack.
You guys did a good job today. Good work.
Thanks.
Feels good to be outside, huh?
Yes, it does feel good.
It's good for your lungs, right? Work hard, play hard. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the 3 things that make a really healthy person?
Running, eating good foods, and exercising.
And this. What?
My head, my brain,
Your mind.
my mind,
And right here.
my rib cage.
Your heart.
Oh. My mom, she's nice, beautiful, loves people, and takes care of us. Then my dad, he's a hardworking man, cares about us, just loves being funny.
Your mind, your heart, and your body are the 3 things that make a whole healthy person.
My papa teaches me about a lot of my ancestors and our culture and how to speak in our language.
Not Udaho, Wadi Grokike. What does Wadi Grokike mean?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm learning Ota prayers from my papa, which he lives really close to my house.
This picture when you were 3 years old, and we gave you your Indian name. So to God, you're Wajinke Sape, you're blackbird. or your Ewa Undaha.
That's who you're named after. He was a real good singer. He was a fancy dancer as well, but he also was a singer.
That's how you got started dancing, and we dance because that's what's been handed down to us by our ancestors.
I love drawing my dancers and stuff. They just inspire me and just looked really cool, and I just love them.
The work that you're doing is really good. We're really proud of you. And you keep working on it, you get better and better.
I love learning new dances, moving my body with kids, and helping adults, and also showing them how I dance. When my family teaches me about things in my culture, it helps me grow healthier and stronger. My mom thinks being healthy is not just about your body, but it's also about your feeling and how you think. And I think she's right about that.
What's your favorite thing about being a street dancer?
It makes me feel good because then when I get older, I can pass it on to the next generation and teach them how to do it so I can keep our culture running. When I'm out there dancing, I can be myself, dance how I want, and also do it for those people who can't dance anymore and just have a lot of fun. I want people to know about my culture so they know what we're doing, and just to know that we're still here and that we love dancing and that we care about people and we just love our culture.